on the 29th of September. Today's 29th? Yeah, today's the 29th of September. Hi guys, hello and welcome to another vlog from my car. It's almost like 3:45 and it's on September 29th and it's 2 more days for my birthday. So I've decided to kind of go get my nails done, go get my hair done, like an entire birthday transformation. So I didn't take any appointments, so I don't know whether it will be available or not, but I really have to get my nails done, you guys. It's desperately dirty. I'm gonna get my entire body transformation, so I'll try taking you guys with me. I don't know how far I can vlog, but let's go.
The next day.
Hi guys, hello. I stopped vlogging yesterday abruptly because I was really late home. And because it's 8 o'clock I couldn't like vlog. So day 2, I got all ready and look at my nails, so pretty. I'll try posting a nice close-up, but so today I'm gonna get my hair done. Really dirty, really messy, and my hair's all oily. I didn't have a head bath because I know that agar kelena that lagana all chepistaru. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I want to get a nice hair color done. Until now I was always doing hair color in the house, so I want to get it professionally. So yeah, and my face is also a little messy. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done after like 2 years. Oh my god, after 2 years. Lovely. Yeah. Hi guys, hello. I just got back from my parlor, got my hair colored. I don't know whether you guys can see it. I'll show you guys a much more clearer picture like once I get home. It's about 6 o'clock. It took me 3 hours, but yeah, really pretty. Hi guys, so this is my final hair. I'm going to show you guys a quick look like under the lights. Really like how it looks very natural. At the same time it looks more like color and all. This is my first time like kind of doing a hair color, so I went for something very subtle, very nice, very neutral. It is showing off much more brown than it is in real life. I don't know the shade names and all, but I really like how pretty it looks. Yeah, so those are all my brushes that I cleaned. I have to kind of set them out. I really like my hair. It's so pretty.